Hi students, I'm Paul Verdicto. In today's class, we'll learn about looping structures. Looping structures. Let's see a small example. Imagine you're giving instruction to distribute books to 3 children. So you can give commands like choose student 1, give book, choose student 2, give book, choose student 3, give book. Now, when you look at these instructions, all the instructions are similar, which means you are repeating the same process again and again. Now, if you wish to give commands to distribute books to 100 students or 1000 students, it would be a lengthy process as you have to give 1000 lines of commands. This program has a very big advantage, which is the same step is repeating throughout the entire process. So, it could be made short using a concept called looping structure. Using looping structures, all these 1000 lines of repeating statements could be made into a block of statements under loop, where a condition will be given and the block of statements will be repeated required number of times. And here we'll set less than 1000 as the condition, so that our process will start at 1 and it will end when it reaches 1000. In general, looping is a concept which is used when a certain block of statements has to be repeated multiple number of times. Based on the nature of execution, loops are of 4 different types. They are for loop, while loop, do while loop, and for each loop. For each loop is a special type of loop which is exclusively available in PHP. That's all for today's class. For more lectures on 12th standard computer applications, subscribe and follow Hard Drive channel. Thank you.